Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create stunning Deforum Stable Diffusion videos using Google Colab. We will go step by step through the complete setup, from running the code to generating your final animation video. Let's get started. Before we begin, let me quickly show you one of the videos I previously generated using Deforum. This will give you an idea of the final output and also confirm that the setup works perfectly without any errors. Now let's move to the setup process. To begin, check the description of this YouTube video. You will find a link to the Colab notebook. Click on the notebook link and it will open in a new tab. Now, note that this notebook is not directly accessible and the data inside it will not be saved. To fix that, you need to save a copy of the notebook to your own Google Drive. For that, click on the File option in the menu. Then click on Save a Copy in Drive. Once the notebook is saved in your drive, we are ready to proceed. Change runtime to GPU. Click on Runtime in the top menu. Then click on Change Runtime Type. A pop-up window will appear. In the Hardware Accelerator dropdown, select GPU. Click Save. This will now assign a GPU to your notebook. Now we will go through each cell in the notebook step by step. Cell 1, clone the Deforum GitHub repository to get all required files. Cell 2, create a virtual environment. This helps avoid version errors between libraries and packages. Cell 3, in this step, we install all the required packages using the requirements file. This step might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so I'll fast forward the video to save your time. Once the installation is complete, we can move on to the next step smoothly. Cell 4, run this cell to ensure that future cells work without issues. Cell 5, test if Torch is working correctly inside the virtual environment. Cell 6, download a custom Stable Diffusion model to generate better quality Deforum videos. Cell 7, set the correct path for the downloaded model. Cell 8, apply animation settings such as zoom, rotation, or motion if you want any animation effects. Cell 9. Enter your positive prompts and negative prompts. This decides what kind of images will be generated. Cell 10, set your image resolution, number of steps, and CFG scale. Cell 11, choose your frames per second value and prepare to generate the video from the images. Cell 12, now, run the main script named deforum_stable_diffusion.py. This script will start generating frames based on your settings and create a video. As the script runs, you will be able to see the generated images on the sidebar inside Colab. This helps you check and verify the progress and quality of each frame. This step might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so I'll fast forward the video. Cell 13, once the script is complete, run this cell to download the generated video as an MP4 file to your computer. Cell 14, if you want to download the entire output folder including all frames, run this cell. Cell 15. If you want to clean up the notebook and remove all generated frames, run this final cleanup cell. Now let me show you the video output that was generated using this exact setup. This is the final result, created fully inside Google Colab using Deforum Stable Diffusion. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you want to try Deforum Stable Diffusion yourself, follow the link in the description. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more creative AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.